You've probably been told that to make any real money with affiliate marketing, you need a giant audience, thousands of followers, a popular blog, a viral YouTube channel, you name it. But what if that was a myth? What if you could start today from absolute zero, no audience, no website, no followers, and actually build a sustainable affiliate income in 2025? Well, you can, and I'm about to show you the exact step-by-step strategy to do it. We're going to completely debunk the "you need a following" myth and give you the blueprint to start earning your first commissions. Stick with me, because the fourth step is the secret sauce. It's where we build the machine that makes this whole system passive. Let's be real. The internet is drowning in gurus who make affiliate marketing sound like you need a PhD in rocket science. They start throwing around words like funnels, pixels, and automation sequences, and suddenly you feel like you're way out of your league. The honest truth is, most beginners don't fail because it's too hard. They fail because they're following the wrong map. They get distracted by shiny objects, promote a dozen random products, and burn out trying to become an influencer overnight. But here's the reality check. You don't need to be an influencer. You don't need to show your face if you don't want to. And you definitely don't need an audience you've spent years building. What you need is a system, a repeatable machine that finds customers, builds their trust, and earns commissions for you, even while you sleep. And that's exactly what I'm laying out for you today. This is the exact blueprint I'd use if I had to start over from scratch in 2025. It's designed to take you from zero to your first $100, and then give you the tools to scale way beyond that. So, if you're ready to stop scrolling and start building, hit that subscribe button because we're jumping in right now. Alright, first things first. The most critical step has nothing to do with traffic or links. It's all about your niche. This is where most beginners trip at the starting line. They head straight to a network like ClickBank or Amazon, sort by the highest commission, and pick some random product they know nothing about. That's a guaranteed recipe for failure. When you're starting without an audience, the only thing you have to trade on is authenticity. Your superpower is being able to genuinely connect with someone's problem and offer a solution that works. That's why rule number one is to choose a niche you're actually passionate and knowledgeable about. What are your hobbies? Skills you've picked up? Problems you've solved for yourself? Are you obsessed with sustainable gardening? Have you perfected sourdough bread? Maybe you're a wizard with personal finance spreadsheets. All of these are fantastic niches. Why is passion so important? Because it makes creating content feel less like work, and more importantly, it makes you believable. When you actually love a topic, you can talk about it with real authority. You understand the frustrations because you've been there. This isn't about faking it till you make it. It's about cashing in on what you already know and love. Once you've got your niche, finding a product is, well, the easy part. Just hop on Google and search for your niche plus affiliate program. You'll be shocked by, how many companies, big and small, are ready to pay you for a recommendation. You can also browse major networks like Amazon Associates, CJ Affiliate, or Awin, which have thousands of programs in just about every category you can think of. Your mission is to find a product you either already use and trust, or one you're willing to buy and test yourself. Remember, you're building a business one trustworthy recommendation at a time. Promoting a crappy product for a quick commission will kill your reputation before you even have one. So choose wisely. So you've got your niche and a product you believe in. Now you need eyeballs on your links. You need traffic. So this is where, honestly, everyone assumes you need a ton of followers. But you don't. You just need to get good at being found. We're going to do this with two powerful and completely free traffic engines. First up is the slow and steady engine SEO-Driven Content. SEO, or search engine optimization, is your secret weapon for getting free, targeted traffic from Google month after month. Instead of just yelling into the social media void, you create content that answers questions people are actively searching for. Think about it. When someone types best running shoes for flat feet into Google, they have their wallet out. Your job is simply to be the helpful resource that provides the answer. You can do this by starting a simple blog on a free platform like Medium, or creating a basic website. Focus on creating genuinely helpful content like how-to guides, product reviews, and comparison articles. The trick is to target long-tail keywords, phrases that are super specific. For instance, instead of going after a vague term like best laptop, you target something like best laptop for college students under $500. The audience is more defined and they're much closer to making a purchase. You're a problem solver, not an entertainer. Your second engine is the fast and explosive one short-form video. Platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels are the single fastest way to get organic reach right now. It's totally possible to get thousands, even millions of views on a single video without a single follower to your name. And no, you don't need to do some cringy dance or point at text bubbles. Just create simple, valuable videos, show a before and after, do a quick 30-second demo of a product, share 3 quick tips about your niche. For example, if your niche is coffee, you could make a 15-second video on the #1 mistake most people make with pour over coffee. At the end, you mention the press you recommend and point people to the link in your bio. You're giving value first, so the promotion feels like a natural extension of your help. By combining the long-term stability of SEO with the explosive right-now potential of short-form video, you create a powerful traffic strategy that works around the clock, all without needing a pre-built audience. Once you have some commissions trickling in from your free traffic methods, it's time to, well, pour some fuel on the fire with paid ads. I know what you're thinking. Whoa, isn't that super risky and expensive? It definitely used to be. But in 2025, AI has completely changed the game for advertisers. You no longer have to be some media buying genius to run ads that actually make you money. AI-powered tools like Meta's Advantage Plus Campaigns and Google's Performance Max do almost all the heavy lifting. You just give them your ad creative, like an image or a video, a link and a budget, and then their AI gets to work finding the most likely buyers across their massive networks. The secret is to start small. I'm talking $5 or $10 a day. The goal here isn't to get rich in 24 hours, it's to gather data and see what's working. You simply take the content that's already doing well organically, your most popular blog post or your most viewed video, and put a small budget behind it to get it in front of more of the right people. Now, this step is totally optional. You can honestly build an amazing affiliate business using only free traffic. But if you want to scale your income and make it more predictable, learning to leverage AI-powered ads is the ultimate accelerator. It's what allows you to turn $1 in ad spend into $2, $3, or even $5 in commissions, creating a true money printing system. This next step is hands down the most important part of this whole strategy. This is what separates the affiliate hobbyists from the professional marketers. No matter where your traffic is coming from, Google, TikTok, paid ads, you should almost never send it directly to your affiliate link. Why? Well, because you only get one shot. If they don't buy at that exact moment, that person is gone forever. Instead, you need to send them to an asset that you control. And honestly, the most valuable asset you can build online is an email list. So here's how this beautiful machine works. It's actually quite straightforward once you see all the moving parts working together. First, you create a simple one-page website called a landing page. On this page, you offer something called a lead magnet. That's a small but mighty piece of value, absolutely free, in exchange for an email address. If your niche is gardening, it could be a simple PDF checklist of the top 10 easiest vegetables to grow. Or if it's personal finance, it could be a budgeting template. Simple, but, really effective. Second, all your content, your blog posts, your videos, your ads points people to this landing page. Someone lands on it, pops in their email to get your awesome freebie, and they are now on your email list. This list is the single most valuable asset in your business, period. It's an audience that you actually own. An algorithm change can't take it away from you. Third, you use an email marketing service to automatically follow up with everyone who signs up. You can, set up a welcome series of emails that deliver more value, build more trust, and share your story. And inside those emails, you can naturally recommend your affiliate products. Because you've built a real relationship, your conversion rates will be way higher than they ever would be with cold traffic. Someone might not buy on day one, but after getting a few valuable emails from you, they'll be much more likely to trust your recommendation on day 7. This is how you generate real long-term passive income. So, let's recap the blueprint. It's a simple 4-part system. 1, pick a niche you're actually excited about and find a great product to match. 2, build your free traffic engines with the 1-2 punch of long-term SEO and explosive short-form video. 3, once you're making money, accelerate your growth with smart AI-powered ads. And 4, the most important piece, build your own asset, an email list, by giving away value so you can build trust and make sales on autopilot. You don't need a huge following to crush it with affiliate marketing in 2025. You just need the right strategy. This is that strategy. You don't need to be an influencer, you need to be a problem solver. You don't need a pre-existing audience, you need to build a system. The only thing standing between you and your first commission is action, so pick your niche, start creating, and go build your machine. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.